What if one simple fruit, something you've probably seen hundreds of times, could quietly support your prostate health, and most men over 60 are either ignoring it or using it the wrong way? Because here's the reality. As men get older, changes in the body don't usually happen overnight. They happen slowly, subtly, and often silently. And one of the most common areas where men begin to notice changes is their prostate. Maybe it starts with something small, more frequent trips to the bathroom, a weaker flow, waking up at night more than you used to. And at first, it's easy to ignore. But over time, it becomes something you can't overlook. Now here's where most men go wrong. They wait until the problem becomes uncomfortable before they start thinking about support. They look for quick fixes, something strong, something immediate. But what if the answer isn't about force, but about consistent, natural support? Hey, I'm Dr. Nolan, and today I want to talk to you about something simple, but powerful. A fruit that has been quietly supporting prostate health, circulation, and overall vitality for years. But more importantly, I'm going to show you why it works, how your body actually uses it, and why most people never feel the full benefit. Now, before I tell you what that fruit is, I want you to understand something important about your body. After 60, your body doesn't respond well to extremes. It responds to consistency, to balance, to support. Now imagine your body like a system that depends on flow, not just blood flow, but overall function. When that flow is supported, everything works better. When it's restricted, things start to slow down. Now think about the prostate. It relies heavily on circulation, on nutrient delivery, on balance within your system. Now imagine improving that environment naturally, not forcing it, but supporting it. Now let me introduce the fruit, pomegranate. Now I know what you might be thinking. That's it? But here's what most people don't realize. Pomegranate is not just a fruit, it's a powerful support system for your body. Now let's talk about why. Because this is where it gets interesting. Pomegranate contains natural compounds that support circulation. Now think about what that means. Better blood flow, better delivery of oxygen and nutrients. Now your body functions more efficiently. Now imagine that happening consistently. Now your system begins to improve gradually. Now let's connect this to prostate health, because improved circulation supports the tissues around the prostate. Now your body maintains better balance. Now things function more smoothly. Now here's something important. This is not a quick fix. It's not something you feel overnight, but over time, your body responds. Now let's talk about another benefit. Pomegranate supports your body's natural defense system. Now think about what that means. Your body is constantly managing stress, internally. Now imagine giving it support. Now your system becomes more resilient. Now let's talk about energy, because this is something many men notice declining after 60. Now imagine improving circulation. Now your body delivers energy more efficiently. Now you feel more responsive, more capable. Now that affects everything. Now I want to talk about something that often gets overlooked, consistency, because this is where most people miss out. They try something once or for a few days and expect results, but your body responds to patterns. Now imagine including something like pomegranate regularly. Now your body adapts. Now your system improves gradually. Now let's talk about how most people use it incorrectly. They consume it randomly. No pattern, no consistency. Now imagine doing that. Now compare it to a steady routine. Now the difference becomes clear. Now I want to connect this to something deeper, confidence. Because this is not just about physical health, it's about how you feel overall. Now imagine your body functioning better. Now you feel more in control. Now that reflects in your daily life. Now here's something important. This fruit alone is not the solution, but it is a powerful part of a system. Now imagine combining it with proper hydration, movement, balanced nutrition. Now everything works together. Now let's talk about timing, because when you include something like pomegranate matters. Now imagine adding it to your daily routine, not as an afterthought, but intentionally. Now your body receives consistent support. Now let's talk about moderation, because more is not always better. Now imagine overdoing it. Now your system has to adjust. Now instead, think balance. Now your body stays stable. Now I want you to think about your current habits. What are you doing daily that supports your body, and what are you doing that doesn't? Now imagine making small adjustments. Now those adjustments become habits. Now those habits become results. Now let's go deeper. Because prostate health is not isolated, it's connected to your overall system, circulation, hormonal balance, lifestyle. Now imagine supporting all of these together. Now your body functions better. Now your health improves. Now here's something powerful. You don't need complicated solutions. You need consistent ones. Now imagine repeating simple, supportive habits daily. Now your body reflects that. Now before we go further, I want to pause here. Because everything we've talked about so far is about understanding the why. Why something like pomegranate can support your prostate health, and how your body actually uses it. I'm going to show you something even more important, the exact way to include this fruit in your daily routine for maximum benefit. The common mistakes that reduce its effectiveness without you realizing it, and how to turn something simple into a powerful long-term habit that supports your prostate, your energy, and your overall vitality. All right, let's continue, because this is where everything becomes practical, and more importantly, effective. Because knowing that something like pomegranate can support your body is useful, but knowing how to use it properly, that's where the real difference happens. And this is exactly where most men unknowingly get it wrong. Not because they don't care, but because no one ever explained how to turn something simple into something that actually works over time. So let's walk through this together. Now imagine starting your day, not with something complicated, not with a long routine, just with intention. Instead of leaving your nutrition to chance, you begin to guide it. Now think about where pomegranate fits in. This is not something you use randomly. It works best when it becomes part of your pattern. Now imagine including it in a way that feels natural. Maybe it's with your breakfast. Maybe it's later in the day. The exact timing isn't as important as the consistency. Now your body begins to recognize that pattern. Now let's talk about form, because this matters more than people realize. You might see pomegranate in different forms, fresh seeds, juice, mixed into meals. Now imagine choosing the option that keeps it as close to its natural state as possible. Now your body receives more of what it actually needs. Now let's talk about quantity, because this is where balance becomes important. Now imagine having just enough to support your system, without overloading it. Now your body can process it efficiently. Now your system stays stable. Now here's something I want you to understand clearly. More does not mean better. Better means consistent. Now imagine including moderate amounts regularly. Now your body responds. Now your system adapts. Now let's connect this to your daily rhythm, because everything works better when it fits into your life. Now imagine building a simple pattern. You wake up, you hydrate, you move a little, and you include supportive nutrition. Now this becomes your baseline. Now your body knows what to expect. Now let's talk about another important factor, what you combine it with, because your body doesn't process foods in isolation. Now imagine pairing pomegranate with balanced meals. Now your system absorbs nutrients more effectively. Now your energy becomes more stable. Now everything works together. Now let's talk about what to avoid, because sometimes what you don't do is just as important. Now imagine relying on processed foods while trying to add something healthy on top. Now your body receives mixed signals. Now compare that to a more balanced approach. Now your system responds clearly. Now let's talk about time, because this is where patience becomes important. Now imagine expecting results in a few days. Now you might feel nothing. But imagine continuing for weeks. Now your body begins to adjust. Now your system improves gradually. Now this is where real change happens. Now let's talk about awareness again, because once you start doing this, you need to notice how your body responds. Now imagine paying attention to your energy, your comfort, your daily patterns. Now you begin to understand what works for you. Now this becomes personal. Now let's connect this back to prostate health, because this is not just about one fruit. It's about the environment you create inside your body. Now imagine supporting circulation, reducing internal stress, maintaining balance. Now your body functions better. Now your prostate health is supported naturally. Now let's talk about confidence again, because when your body feels better, you feel better. Now imagine moving through your day with more stability, more control. Now that reflects in everything. Now I want you to think about something simple. What if instead of searching for complicated solutions, you focused on improving what you already have access to? Now imagine the power of that. Now let's talk about routine, because this is what makes everything stick. Now imagine doing this daily, not perfectly, but consistently. Now your body adapts. Now your system improves. Now here's something important. You don't need to change everything at once. You just need to start. Now imagine adding this one habit. Now let it become part of your routine. Now build from there. Now let's bring everything together. Pomegranate for circulation and support. Balanced meals for overall function. Hydration for efficiency. Movement for flow. Now imagine all of these working together. Now your body operates at a higher level. Now I want to leave you with this. Your body is not asking for extreme changes. It's asking for consistent support. So when you give it that, it responds naturally, steadily, and in a way that actually lasts. I'm Dr. Jake Nolan, and I'll see you in the next video.